He did the butt shimmy. He did the butt shimmy.
Oh, sorry, buddy. Why are you on my butt? Please don't butt shimmy on my butt. That'll tickle.
Liam. Stretch. He almost did the butt shimmy. Now Willow's there. She's like, what's going on?
He's like, why are you all laughing so much?
Because Liam was doing the butt shimmy.
Don't do it. Willow!
Liam, don't do the butt shimmy. You're about to sit on Liam.
I know, I'm not trying to.
What's she doing?
She keeps biting me. I don't need someone biting. Nope, nope, nope. I will cut you.
Willow.
Okay, I don't like Willow on me. I don't like her on me.
Liam with the butt shimmy.
Willow! Stop it! Willow! Out! Out! Willow. No, you can't be on my legs anymore. You're banned from my legs.
Where'd she go?
Right there.
You want to do the butt shimmy, Liam? He did it for 50 seconds there. He's going to start remarking you again. He's like, you are mine.
He's going all along my sides.
He's marking you. Where'd he go?
I don't know, but I'm pulling my thing down in my back.
What is this? Hello.
You should have recorded him butt shaming.
I did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. At the beginning, it shows him.
Oh,
Oh, dang.
crap.
Liam, no butt shimming.
Is
Wrong
he on
one.
me? Or is that Willow?
That's Liam.
Liam's on me?
Yeah. Oh, dang.
I'm sorry.
Come here, baby.
I'm sorry, Willow.
Come here, baby girl. Poor Willow.
No. Thank you.